Alright guys, so today's video we're going to be getting back into a little bit of the car stuff. My last video, it was just a random vlog that I decided to post because I haven't posted in a while. I'm eventually going to post a video updating on everything that's gone on with the Passat because a lot has happened since I posted my last video. But today we are going to be taking the Passat mudding. If you follow my Instagram, I have taken the car off-road a couple of times before. I've gotten it muddy, but I haven't actually made a full-on video of it, so I thought I'd make a video of it. And yeah, let's just get straight into the video. So right now I'm just waiting for the car to warm up. It takes forever to warm up, and it only runs right when it's warm. My Christmas tree of a dash. Alright guys, so we just arrived here. We're on a little back road. I'm gonna have my girlfriend record from outside inside the car and try and get as many different angles as I possibly can. I am on a donut right now, and my other rear tire is flat, so we're gonna make most of what we have going, and yeah. Oh yeah, she's still wet. Stuff. What's that?
Floor it.
I'm gonna rip my bumper off.
You don't need it. No, it went through the sunroof.
Burning. You need new ones anyway, right?
It's all over my pants.
That's what happens when you go mudding. You get muddy. Gotta move my seat all the way forward and all the way up. I move my mirrors. You don't need a seat. You really don't need a seat. What is this truck doing? Big truck. And then there's a public street sign right here, so. Yeah. I think that means in the woods.
Oh, yeah. Because we're not in the woods.
Because this is a road.
In the woods.
Yeah. Oh, there's someone coming. There's pull over here. Bro.
Oh, they wave?
Yeah.
Oh, love that.
I waved, it's fine. out first. I want to take a video from the outside, but from the other side, so you can actually see the mud. I'll stand up in the field with the deer.
Oh, what are you doing?
Oh, that was from me drifting.
Yeah.
What are these marks? I don't know. Let me get out right
I
here.
don't know. Right here?
This is where it starts.
Ow.
This is where the mud starts. Ah! Muddy car. I stand over here. I run. Come on. Oh my god. I've never realized how loud my car is actually from the outside. She's turning it around now. Jesus Christ. Especially when it's redlining, it is loud as shit. She's stuck. Oh boy. You can just barely see her. Oh my god. Oh my god. You hit the side, but it's fine. Oh my god. Jesus Christ. Oh, she's idle and funky. Oh, my sneakers.
Oh, I'm sorry.
It's fine. You hit that so fucking hard.
Want me to move it out of the mud?
Yeah,
I'm sorry.
it's fine. Oh my god. I'm full of mud now. Is it scratched? It's not even scratched.
What?
It's not even scratched. You literally just bounced it off the side of the fucking...
I know, that's why I'm scared.
No, that's fine.
I love how he just did laundry.
My whole front end is just loose.
I'm sorry.
It's fine. No, it's been like that. She's fine. That was fun. Let's get out of here. Oh my god.
I'm gonna move this.
Smells like mud in here.
Yeah, well, there's mud all over me.
Okay. I think that might be...
The tire?
I don't know what that is. Now he's coming back. That's an uh-oh noise.
Your tires are gonna all fly off.
It goes away when you go faster. No, it doesn't.
I'm sorry.
Excuse me, sir. Please stop squeaking.
Like, they're probably calling the cops.
Yeah, definitely. Shitbox Nation. So the car is now making mysterious noises from the back, but that's fine. We're gonna clean the window so we can actually see because it's covered in mud now. Bounce it off the wall, it's fine. It's fine. Is it this? Are these loose? I'm surprised these aren't loose. I didn't even torque these on. I don't know. Oh, dripping on me.
Good?
Yeah, it's fine. For now. For now, yeah. Alright guys, so I know that wasn't really much of mudding, but that's basically all we can really do with this car. Every other area that has a place to go mudding in my area, you need a truck to do it. My car wouldn't make it through that, but this is the aftermath. We're about to go to the car wash and go wash it. We looked at the side of the car, and when she hit the side of the wall, nothing really was damaged. I don't think it's even scratched. But yeah, so we're gonna head over to the car wash and I'll throw you guys back on when we get over there. Alright guys, so we just made it to the car wash. I'm just gonna put you guys on a time lapse and show you how it comes out when it is done. Alright guys, so the car is done basically. We're just gonna finish up doing the windows now. Alright guys, so I totally forgot to make an outro yesterday, but we did end up cleaning the car. This is what it came out like. It's pretty clean. But there's a little bit of mud still left in the front, but it's whatever. Came out pretty good. But yeah, that's gonna be it for today's video. I hope you did enjoy. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.